Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the door handle mounting stud on your refrigerator. The reason why you do that is because you have a loose door handle on your fridge.
For this repair, you'll need a 3/8 inch nut driver and a screwdriver with a T10 Torx bit.
Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. To start this repair, we're going to open up our fridge door and we're going to remove these screw sets. You don't have to remove it all the way, just enough so that's loose. Now that they're both loose, we can just pull off the door handle. The next thing we're going to do is remove the door handle mounting stud. We're going to use our 3/8 inch nut driver, and we're going to take this off all the way, just like that. Now we're going to take our OEM replacement door handle mounting stud. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. We're going to take our replacement stud and put that right back in the hole where the other one was. Screw that in nice and tight. We'll put that right back on the fridge. Make sure you line up the holes so it sits right on those studs. And now we'll just tighten back our screw sets. Once those are tightened up, check your door handle, make sure it's nice and tight, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.